idea about our topic in this morning? Okay, very good. It is all about integers. Okay, now let us start our discussion today. We are going to discuss the 4 operations on integers. Okay, what are the 4 operations on integers? Yes, Mister? Okay, very good. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Very good. In this lesson, we learn how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of integers. Now, let us first discuss the addition of integers. Okay? In addition of integers, there has a rule. To add integers having like sign. Who wants to read first? Okay, thank you. To add integers having like signs, find their absolute value first. Then second, add the number obtained in step A. Attach the common sign of the integers to the answer in the step B. Okay, for example. Negative 6 plus negative 3. Who wants to answer? Okay, negative 9 is the right answer. How did you come up with that answer? Okay, negative 6. Yan. Now, let us proceed to the rule number 2.
3.
Okay, who wants to read? Kindly read Miss De Leon. Okay, thank you for reading it. To add integers having a like sign, find their absolute values. Then, from the obtained number in step A, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, okay? Attach the sign of the integer with the bigger absolute. Here's an example. Negative 125 plus negative 170. Positive, rather. Okay, we will get the absolute value of the number. Magiging negative na siya dahil yan. The answer will be 1. The answer will be negative 8. Why? Why negative 8 is the answer? Because, as stated in the rule, we find the absolute value first and then subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Okay, we subtract it, then the answer will be 8. Positive 8. Then, we attach the negative signs daw. I-attach daw natin yung negative signs kapag daw yung sign ng mas mataas na numbers, yun ang gagayain natin, ilalagay natin sa product. Okay, did you get it? Now, it seems that you already understand the addition. Let us move on and proceed to the next operation, which is subtraction. Okay? Rules in subtracting integers. Subtracting a and from one another number is the same as adding n to the another number. Okay? Let us give an example. Negative 15 minus negative 19. Who wants to give an answer in this equation? The answer will be negative 34. Very good. Why? Why did you get the answer negative 34? Eh, subtract nga, pero bakit pinag-plus? Kasi ang sabi is same as adding. Kapareha lang daw ng pinagsasama. Okay? As the said in the rule, subtracting number from one another is the same as adding the opposite number of it to the other. We just find the opposite number at the subtrahend. Okay? And we get the negative 19. And we add it to the negative 15. Tapos, the answer will be negative 34. Since they are both negative, pareha silang negative. Okay. Another example. Negative 21 minus negative 14. What will be the answer? Okay, very good. Negative 7. Negative 7 will be the answer. Why? Maraming tatanong kung bakit. Dahil subtracting negative 14 from negative 21 ang sabi dito, same as adding lang daw sa ibang number. We change the subtraction to addition. Yes. Then we change negative 14 to 14 na. Positive 14. Yes. Then, so, the 14 will be 7. Since they are both negative sign, then since you understand well the subtraction of integers, let us now proceed to the third operation, which is multiplication. You may have noticed that using repeated addition to find the product of two integers is quite tedious. Fortunately, the process of multiplying integers can be simplified using the following step. Okay? Rules in multiplying integers. Rules in multiplying integers. To multiply two integers like unlike sign, yung hindi magkapareha, for example, is negative 3 plus, negative 3 times positive 4, okay? To find the product of their absolute values, then attach the negative sign to the result. Kapag nakita mong unlike sign, ialagay mo na sa isip mo the negative sign lagi nandun sa result. Then number 2, multiply integers with like sign. Magkaparehas na sign. Halimbawa, positive 5 times positive 3. Find the product of their absolute values. The product will be always positive naman daw. Kapag daw parehas daw ang sign, positive na ang ilalagay mo dun sa result ng equation mo. Okay? For example, negative 5 times positive 3. Okay? Gagawin natin siya. Kukunin natin yung product natin. Yan. Then the answer, 5 times 3, then the answer is 15. Dahil sila ay magkaiba ng sign, itong isa ay negative, then the other one is positive, you will write the negative sign dahil they are not the same. Okay, did you understand? Okay, another example again. Another example, ha? 4, positive 4 times negative 3. Yan. Who wants to give a the answer in this equation. Okay, Mr. Malapit. So, what is your answer? Okay, your answer is negative 12. That is right. We tried this rule. Okay, example. Positive 4 times positive 7. What will be the answer of this? Okay, Mr. De Leon. Okay, very good. The answer is positive 28. Why? Because the sign of this and this one is positive sign. Okay? Then, sabi dito, i-assume natin yung magiging product will always be positive. Dahil parehas like sign. Yan. Positive. The answer will be positive 28. Okay, another example. Negative 23 times negative 4. 23 times 4. 23 times 4 is equals to positive 92. Since pare sila negative, ilalagay pa rin natin ay positive dahil parehas ang kanilang sign. Okay? Okay, I will give an example in rule number 2, rule in dividing integers. Okay? Example. Positive 18 divided by negative 3. Oh, what will be the answer? Okay? Okay, very good. The answer will be negative 6. Why? Okay, ganito ang solution yan. Kukunin muna natin yung yan. Yan, ganyan. Then, the answer will be negative. Dahil hindi sila magkaparehas na sign, yung isa positive and yung isa negative. Ano sabi dito? Divide integers with a like sign. Laging ang result ay negative. Okay? Observe that the divisor and the dividend have a like sign. Dividing the absolute value of 18 is equals to 18. By that, negative 3 is equals to negative 3. Gives you attach the negative 6. Okay? Positive 6 lang dapat yon. Pero since sabi sa rule E, kailangan daw na i-attach ang negative sign sa result kapag unlike sign, kapag hindi magkaparehas ang sign ng two numbers, the dividend at divisor. Okay? Another example. Positive 30 divided by negative 3. Okay. What will be the answer? Okay. Very good. Dear student, for the last operation, let us now proceed to the division on integers. Okay. Rules in dividing division integers. Okay. To divide two integers with like sign, find the quotient of their absolute values. The result is always positive. To divide the integers with unlike sign, find the quotation again of their absolute values, attach a negative sign to their result. Parang katulad lang din siya ng rules in multiplying integers. Hindi kayo malilito doon dahil the same lang sila. Pagkakaiba nga lang, division ito. Kaso yung rule nila, kapag parehas ang sign, positive lagi ang sign ng magiging result. Ay ganoon din kapag unlike sign, negative sign naman din ang magiging result. Okay, for example, okay, divide 5. Okay, who wants to give an answer on this equation? Okay, very good. The answer will be positive 9. Why? 45 divided 5 is equals to 9. Positive, i-assume positive na sign itong dalawa na to. Itong whole numbers ito parehas. And sabi dito, like sign, then you will copy the positive sign in the product. Okay. Para mas malinaw, to solve 45, divide positive 5, positive to parehas na. Observe that the divisor and the dividend have like sign. Okay, that is this. Dividing the absolute value of 45 is 40 equals to 45. By the 5 is equals to 5 gives you 9. Thus 45 divided by 5 will be positive 9. Okay, another example. Negative 28 divide negative 7. Okay, what will be the answer? The answer will be, okay, very good. The answer will be negative 4. Okay. As we can see, they have the same sign. At kapag same daw ang sign, magiging positive ang. Okay, I will be give an example in rule number 2, rule in dividing integers. Okay. Example. Positive 18 divided by negative 3. Oh, what will be the answer? Okay? Okay, very good. The answer will be negative 6. Okay? Thank you, my dear student, for listening and cooperating.